Hello everyone, I'm Mark. Recently my wife and I were on vacation in Florida and we happened across the Kennedy Space Center where we spent the whole day learning about space travel, the history, everything from Chuck Yeager breaking the sound barrier to Alan Shepard being the first man in space. After all this excitement, we went to our hotel in Cocoa Beach only to find out that there was going to be a SpaceX launch that night. Elon Musk was putting another Starlink satellite into orbit, and from 12 miles away from Cocoa Beach, we got to see Cape Canaveral and the rocket launch. I hope you enjoy the video. Now I'm afraid to stop recording.
Oh, wow.
That's it. You're right, it's more that direction. There it goes.
Oh
That's
my
freaking cool.
goodness. Wow.
Going behind the cloud. You're gonna light up that whole cloud. That's gonna be neat. There it is, the whole sky is lit up. The rocket's gonna burst out through the top of the cloud.